My name is Alison Lowe and I have the privilege of being the Deputy Mayor for Policing and Crime here in West Yorkshire. So policing is at the heart of my role and alongside our Mayor, Tracy Brabin, my job is to hold the police to account for the way that they police West Yorkshire and also for the way that they encourage all our communities to engage with policing. And number one on my agenda is equality, diversity, human rights and race disparities. These are the areas that I am most passionate about and that I am working with West Yorkshire Police to address the issues that we face today, but also remembering the history and the legacy of the death of David Oluwale. Because David Oluwale is a stain, but it is also by remembering him that we can move forward and improve. Because without the loss of David, without the terrible tragedy of David, we would not know what good looked like. We would not know what hate we were capable of, but also what love we are also capable of and what we're supposed to be showing to each other and to all our communities. I was a very small child when David died. My dad came here also from St Kitts in the 1950s, and he talked about David Oluwale to me and to my brothers and sisters and told us about what could happen here in Leeds. Despite the fear, despite the worry that we would be treated similarly to David, we carved out lives here in Leeds because Leeds is a great place to live. Leeds is a great place where people can thrive. But we can only do that if we remember that Leeds has also got its dark side. Working together, living together, loving together, we can bypass and work through some of that darkness, walk into the light, bring others with us, make Leeds the city of love, the city of light, the city of sanctuary that's already been spoken about. We don't want to ever see another David Oluwale here in Leeds. We don't want to see David Oluwale being killed anywhere else on this planet. So please show love, show compassion, and together we will get to a place where all of us can live and can thrive. Thank you.